Best 10 Lead Generation Strategies for Financial Advisors plus AI Tools. AnyBiz. Welcome to our video on the top 10 lead generation strategies for financial advisors, featuring the incredible potential of AI tools. Let's dive into how you can enhance your client base and grow your business. Financial advisor lead generation is the lifeblood of success. It's about finding and nurturing potential clients through networking, targeted marketing, and referrals. Without a steady flow of new clients, even the best advisors can struggle to thrive. Lead generation is the key to survival, connecting advisors with clients and ensuring success in a competitive industry. Challenges in lead generation for financial advisors: competition compliance issues, targeting the right audience, evolving consumer expectations, maintaining personalization at scale, lead quality over quantity. AI tools are revolutionizing lead generation for financial advisors. By automating tasks and providing valuable insights, these tools streamline processes and boost efficiency. With AI, advisors can focus more on building relationships and converting leads, leading to greater success in a competitive industry. 1. AnyBiz, AI-powered lead generation for financial advisors. Automates sales, offers personalized outreach, and optimizes for top-quality leads. Rapidly scales customer base with features like appointment scheduling and IP recognition. 2. HubSpot. HubSpot is a feature-rich CRM software that offers resources for customer support, content management, sales, and marketing. Its powerful automation and integration features make it especially advantageous for financial advisors. 3. Leadfeeder is a technology that watches the activity of firms who visit your website and recognizes them, providing you with possible leads. For B2B financial advisors trying to reach corporate clients, it is very helpful. Top 10 lead generation strategies for financial advisors. 1. Educational content creation. For example, webinars, ebooks. Create high-quality resources like webinars, ebooks, and white papers to address common financial challenges. By offering these materials for free, financial advisors can attract potential clients and establish themselves as experts in their field. 2. Social media marketing. Social media is vital for financial advisors. LinkedIn helps build credibility and connect with peers and clients, while Facebook allows for reaching a broader audience and engaging with clients on a personal level, offering valuable advice. 3. Email marketing lets financial advisors directly and personally engage potential clients, building lasting relationships. It informs, educates, and persuades, boosting conversions and retention. 4. Referral programs help financial advisors gain new clients by leveraging the trust and satisfaction of existing ones. Happy clients can recommend friends and family, providing access to a warm market where trust is already established. 5. SEO, local SEO, and content marketing boost financial advisors' online visibility and attract more clients. By optimizing for financial topics, advisors can rank higher in search results, making it easier for prospective clients to find them. Local SEO further helps by targeting clients in the advisor's geographic area. 6. Hosting seminars and events lets financial advisors connect with potential clients, showcase expertise, and build trust and credibility. 7. Pay-per-click PPC advertising helps financial advisors reach prospective clients actively seeking services. Platforms like Facebook ads and Google ads allow precise targeting based on search patterns, interests, and demographics, ensuring your ads reach the right people at the right time. 8. Networking with other professionals is crucial for financial advisors to grow their clientele and build their reputation. Collaborating with attorneys, accountants, and real estate brokers can lead to referrals from trusted sources, increasing the likelihood of conversion. 9. Client reviews and testimonials. Financial advisors can gain trust by sharing testimonials and reviews from satisfied clients, showing potential clients their track record of success. 10. CRM software optimization. AI-driven CRM software optimizes customer interactions, lead tracking, and service personalization for financial advisors, enhancing engagement, streamlining processes, and providing predictive insights. Financial advisors can boost lead generation and client management with strategies like content creation and AI-driven CRM. Solutions like AnyBiz offer AI-based tools, streamlining processes for improved efficiency and client engagement. Thank you for watching. If you found these strategies useful, consider subscribing for more insights and tips on financial advising. Don't forget to like and share this video with your peers.